So, I'm Dr. Toby Quibell and I am the Chief Executive of North East Wellbeing.
It's Dr. Jenna Charlton. I am a Research Associate from Newcastle University and a Child Psychologist. And I am also Director of 4M Puppets.
Sally Noden, and I'm a Children's Service Manager for Action for Children. I oversee family support work and a cluster of other projects, but one of my roles is as a lead agency in a partnership called West Community Partnership.
Okay, so we have this excellent intervention. It's called Curious Beasts, and it contains those elements which we've been talking about. And each of those elements in itself has innovative aspects, but putting the four of them together has created a package of care which kind of rarely comes together in these kind of interventions. So we're looking at tackling the problem of child mental health from a number of different perspectives, from the school perspective, from the family perspective, from the child's own emotional development. And so putting together like that makes a very exciting prospect for the way in which we can work together across agencies to make something really effective happen for children across the city.
We wanted to create a workshop for children that targeted social emotional well-being in children who lived in deprived areas or may have difficult home circumstances and who may not be expressing mental health difficulties in an outward way but actually internalising them, so those quieter children in the classroom that may go undetected, their mental health difficulties may go undetected. So the workshop was written by myself and another director from 4M Puppets. It's based on a standardised assessment of social and emotional well-being, which is called the Strengths and Difficulties Questionnaire.
As part of this project, one of the other elements that is really important is the 6 weeks nurture programme. So through the data and the self-identifying, a percentage of children, normally sort of about 10 children, 6 to 10 children, are broken into small nurture groups, no more than 3 or 4, and they are worked with a nurture practitioner for 6 weeks. Within that programme, the social stories that Gemma had mentioned are used for each aspect of emotional and well-being. So there's a social story that would look at, say, social emotions, and that story enables those children to be able to look and identify and then work on emotional literacy around those areas.
Everybody, come out here and see this! Come and sit. Hello. You're a very friendly creature. Would you like a high five? Should we give out some high five? High five, yes.